If you're frustrated with Instagram and believe that there is no way to grow, this video is for you. I'll show you a 4-step strategy that is guaranteed to make you go viral at least once, even with 0 followers. And now it's not to use the right hashtags, it's a strategy that I've actually used to grow multiple pages, and this one that I started 1 month ago. So let me show you. Step number 1 is the copycat innovation method. For me, this is by far the most important strategy on social media, and it's the main strategy I've used and found success with. So basically what I mean with copycat innovation is remodeling other videos, but the process is a bit more complicated than simply that. First of all, I want you to choose 3 to 5 mentors. Mentors are the big pages in your niche that have content that is performing good, and then I want you not to consume their content but research. Make a spreadsheet, write your mentors down, and after you found their average views and engagement in their reels, I want you to search for their best performing content. Now take those videos, take those links and put them in the spreadsheet, and I want you to find 5 to 10 reels for each mentor. Now you should have about 30 videos in your spreadsheet. Now I want you to remodel those reels. If your page is a repost page, you should not just take the video and upload it to your page like it is, but take the video, make some changes, re-edit it, like I do in this video for example. I took the video, made it smaller, designed the background, put a different font, add some effects, and that way I have successfully remodeled the video. The main idea is to add your style, even if that's the script, editing, a phrase, whatever it is. Now that you understand this step, the next step is gonna take the copycat method to the next level and help you grow faster. So let's see. Step number 2, reposting your own content. This will enhance the previous strategy because you can combine these two. I want you to start reposting your own reels every 5 to 10 videos because the content is already proven to work in your page, which is a big difference. And of course it is a time saver, but there are 4 rules you have to follow to do it the correct way. Rule number 1, do not delete the original video. This can send a bad signal to the Instagram algorithm and you might get shadow banned. Rule number 2, do not repost a reel that you uploaded the past 5 days. For the algorithm, that might look like spam. Rule number 3, you have to first download the video from a website like Save Insta, then put that video in your editing software. If you want, you can add a small subtle effect, and then I want you to export it with a different file name. This is really important because for the algorithm, this now is a completely new video. Because if you upload the exact same video, Instagram will know, and it might not perform as well. But you should really know about the next step, because we'll talk about size. Let's talk about it. Step number 3 is what I call length research. And no, it's not what you think. The main idea is to try multiple length formats. And if you're a small creator, it's the best time to do that. So for your next videos, try 10-second videos and go up to 1 minute or more. For example, I used to upload very long videos that were about a minute long, and then I decided to test out shorter videos, like up to 20 seconds long. And surprisingly, one of those videos got 15 million views. For you, it might be the opposite. There is a key difference between these two types of content. 50% watch time in a 60-second video is not the same as in a 20-second video. From my experience, shorter videos tend to perform better on Instagram, but for some people, longer videos go absolutely viral. Like I always say, social media is research and experimentation. But you have to know about the next step, because these are the mistakes that are holding so many creators back. Step 4, stop being a tryhard. And I mean 3 things with that. Trying to go viral every single time. You do not have to go viral in every single video. You just need 1 to 2 videos per month. This is a perfect number to keep your views up and grow your page, at the same time have videos where you build a connection with your audience. And that's how you make a loyal audience and where the money comes from. Second one is jumping from niche to niche too much. You make a video about lifestyle, you make a video about a tip you have, you make a video about food, you make a video about your workout, then you make a random vlog and then a random funny video. It's okay to have one big niche and jump from sub-niche to sub-niche, but by jumping from niche to niche, you completely confuse the Instagram algorithm and it cannot promote your videos to the right audience. And mistake number 3 is what we've already talked about, and it is not recreating and remodeling content that is already proven. I've seen many creators trying to reinvent the wheel, try to make a new idea that will go viral, but they miss the simplest thing, and it is the foundation of social media, and that way they're missing out on huge opportunities. By the way, if you want to know more about being a creator, I have a free guide called the Creator Economy Playbook, and it's completely free. You will find it in the description. Love you. Now that you've watched this video, make sure to watch this video next, which will actually help you find your niche. See you over there.
So please, I want to reach 1 million.